So today we're going to be taking a look at the Pitaka MagEZ 5 case in the sunset color for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, if you guys noticed, Pitaka this year released their MagEZ 4 series. They have the MagEZ 4 Pro and the regular MagEZ 4, which is this case right here. Now, this is an updated version of just the MagEZ, this one. There is no update of the Pro just yet, but this is the updated of the MagEZ case, and this has some new technology in it. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Now, first on the front, it does say sunset, and that is the colorway here. To start off, we do get a sunset color, we get a moonrise color, and a break the line color. Now, the break the line is going to be the closest color to this MagEZ 4, but it's going to have like a black and yellow strip going down here. It looks a lot like race car. I love it. It looks really good. But we do have the sunset color, and I've been really enjoying it. So let's go ahead and take a look around the packaging. Now, it does say Pitaka up at the top, MagEZ Case 5 in the sunset colorway, and it does say Moonrise there as well. And on the back, it says it's thinner and lighter, a caseless feeling, MagSafe compatible, and it's 100% biodegradable packaging. Now, there is a bunch of information here, and it does show you that sunset pattern right there, but we're going to take a look at that here in a second. And also, shout out to Pitaka for the super, eco-friendly type of packaging. Love to see it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, you just slide this little piece off right here. Let's set that to the side. And here it does say Pitaka, we care for our planet. It's made out of 100% biodegradable materials. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Now, really nothing else on the packaging. And we'll pull this open. You just kind of have to separate it here. And let's take a look. So we do get our case first. Let's set that to the side, see what else is inside. Now, nothing else right there. Now, here you do get this little like sunset kind of style, insert right there. It does show you sunset and moonrise, kind of a little bit of those colors. So you can take a look at that. And it does show you that Pitaka MagSafe Slimboard Module 2.0 technology, which is something that we will take a look at here shortly, but it's just kind of a little bit of information right there. You can scan it, shows you how to remove it, all that fun stuff. So let's set this all to the side and take a look at the case. So starting off with the back, as soon as I saw this, I really, really liked this design. It's like a color gradient almost. There's some black here, some reds, some oranges, blues. I really like the way that this looks and also the way that it feels. It's got a very, very good texture on the back here, so it definitely helps with some grippiness to it. Now, this is a super, super thin and minimal case, but it definitely has some grip to it on the sides, up here, and on the back of the case. Now, one thing that Pitaka is saying, that first of all, this is a Fusion Weave case. This isn't just one of the regular MagEZ cases. This is one of the Fusion Weave. And what they mean by that Slimboard Module 2.0 technology is the MagSafe, which let's take a look at that. Now, if you guys notice here before on the MagEZ 4, it's just this ring right there, and the magnets are kind of built into the inside of the case. Now, on here, it's the specific magnet, this amber magnet film right there. It says amber magnet film. So you cannot feel these magnets right here. It almost looks like it's just printed on. However, you still get that really good Pitaka MagSafe with this case. But taking a look around the rest of the inside, just that very simple, super thin, super sleek material. And that's pretty much it. Kind of on the inside, you do get a little bit of texture going around these little sides. You can kind of feel it with your finger. But this, again, isn't one of those cases that you can really drop your phone in or anything like that. It's just for your little nicks and dings and scratch protection. So let's go ahead and weigh the two cases. So Pitaka is saying that this one is lighter than this one. So let's go ahead and turn our scale on. We'll set that up here. And come on now. All right, so we do have our scale in grams. Let's start off with the Pitaka MagEZ 4 first. We'll put that down. And we're looking at 22 grams. Now, if we take that off and set that to the side, we'll put this one on, and we're looking at 17 grams. So you have a 5 grams difference on already a super, super thin and light case. And just honestly holding these two together, you can't really, I'm sure, see it on camera, but you can definitely feel that the MagEZ 5 is a little bit thinner than the MagEZ 4. So they're saying it's just 0.75 millimeters thin, which is crazy, crazy thin. And I've been really enjoying it. So let's go ahead and set our scale to the side, and we'll get our phone into the case. Now, we'll take our black titanium 15 Pro Max and slap it in. Let's listen for that click. nice, decent click on there, nothing too crazy, but this case is on there super securely. It's got these kind of like little almost clips that hit each corner, and they have a very pronounced, you know, fit on there. Now, one other thing is that they made this case a little bit easier to take off, where you don't have to like pry it all the way off like you did with this case. So I really appreciate that, but it's still on there super secure, if you guys can hear that click. And speaking of which, let's go ahead and step around the rest of the sides. One click there, good click. Nice click on the camera. Third and fourth. So you've got 4 great clicks all the way around, and you know this is on there super securely. You have no issues of this case coming off. For example, if you do drop it, now you may have a shattered iPhone, but you won't have any issues of this case coming off because it is on there pretty securely. Now, I am using a tempered glass screen protector on there, and if you guys can see, we do not really get much of a screen lip with this case just because it's super thin. It's meant to literally feel like you don't even have a case on there, but you're getting that good grip on it and that excellent MagSafe strength. And moving along to the camera, you do definitely get a nice proper camera lip right there that does cover the camera, so you can absolutely set this down on its back and have no issues with that. But taking a look around the sides of the case, we do have an open top there. On the left-hand side, our buttons are exposed, so really no need to do a button click test because these are the buttons of the iPhone. The rest of it is closed in. We do have an exposed bottom with just this little tiny lip right there. And on the right-hand side, it is closed in except for that power button. So how does this case feel in the hand? And like I said, you can definitely feel that it's a little bit thinner than the MagEZ 4. It's very, very comfortable to hold. And I also believe that they refined one issue I've had the last couple years with Pitaka's MagEZ cases, which isn't the biggest deal in the world, but it's something that I have to point out to you guys, that this bottom edge right here was always not necessarily sharp, but it would dig into your pinky if you held your phone like this. But I believe Pitaka refined it with this case because I've been using this for a few days, holding it the regular way I do, and I have not had any issues of this digging into my pinky. So I believe Pitaka kind of smoothed that out, and I really appreciate that. Now, I do wish that this was closed in on the top and on the bottom. However, that's not, you know, the case with all these kinds of cases. No pun intended. No, it's not the case with these kind of cases that, you know, usually are going to give you crazy protection. But I would love to see the bottom and the top closed one day on one of these cases. But that's not the biggest deal in the world. So let's go ahead and move along to our MagSafe test. We'll check it out. So we'll start off with the Apple MagSafe wallet. That goes on there nicely. There's our MagSafe animation. Now, this case, I don't believe has an alignment magnet, which I don't think the Pitaka MagEZ 4 didn't either, but it does have very good MagSafe strength. You can sit here and try to move your wallet around, and it's not coming off because of that little grip texture on the back of the case, but also really, really good MagSafe strength. So great job, Pitaka, on the grip and on that MagSafe strength. Let's go ahead and bring over our Apple MagSafe battery pack. Slap that on. Good connection onto there. And I really love how thin this feels. Now, I don't know about you guys, how much you love, you know, these super thin cases, but I'm a really big fan of them. I love all different kinds of cases, but these really thin ones, I always enjoy using them every once in a while when I want like a caseless feel without being caseless. I really like these, and this one has been checking all of the boxes so far. I really think that the only thing I'd have to knock it for is just that I wish that the top and bottom were closed in. That way it was just a little bit more protection. Obviously, it's not the making, and obviously it's not going to change too much of the protection level, but I would like to get a little bit of scratch protection on the top and bottom of the phone. But let's go ahead and shake our MagSafe magnet, and we can definitely shake it without it coming off. I'm shaking it pretty hard, and this thing is on there solid. So no issues with that whatsoever. And you do have to peel that off a good bit. You have to really kind of push it. And finally, coming along to our Anchor 623. Here, let's go ahead and put our phone connected to it. And obviously, it's picking up that MagSafe. It's picking up that MagSafe base with no issues whatsoever. I really did have to kind of drop it down almost for it to come off. But let's go ahead and do our 360-degree rotation test. Will it stay on? Yeah, you've got no issues. Look at that. Excellent rotation on there, whether you're using it in portrait mode or you're going to use it in your landscape mode if you're watching videos, or it's on your car, your charger in nightstand mode or standby mode, whatever Apple calls it. But you have no issues whatsoever. Feel free to tap it, touch it, do whatever you want with it. It's good to go. So really, really excellent case, excellent fit, excellent MagSafe. I've really, really been enjoying using this. Now, another thing with those magnets in there is that there is no glue, which is really cool. That a lot of these cases, they have the magnets kind of glued in there somewhere. This one, it's literally almost as if it was printed onto the case itself, but it's not. It's just their Slimboard Module 2.0 technology is what Pitaka calls it. And it's really, really been a great use for this case. I've really been enjoying it, and I've been having a blast with it. Honestly, I think this is going to be one of the ones in my rotation for a little while, because I don't think I'm done with it yet. I definitely, I reuse all of my cases. Any case you guys see on the channel here, I use it all the time. It's not just one and done. I do use these cases. I love these cases, and this one has been no exception. It's been great to use, absolutely. Now, the only thing that kind of concerns me a little bit with this case is that price. And we're talking $69.99, $70 for this case. Now, Pitaka, one thing about Pitaka is they're always giving you top quality. They're always giving you that really good design, those great patterns, that great MagSafe, the real fusion weave, the real aramid fiber in certain cases. They put a lot of time and effort into these cases, and I really enjoy them. Another little thing, I do wish that little, Pitaka branding right there was just the logo, or maybe not even there at all. That'd have been nice, but not the biggest deal in the world. It's just kind of not an eyesore, but it's silver on top of this color gradient here. Maybe if it was black or anything like that, but that's just nitpicking at this point. That is something that I did want to point out to you guys. But super solid case. I mean, $70. I do wish it was, maybe $50, 60 tops, but it is what it is. You got to pay to play. And Pitaka is true to this. They've been doing this for a very long time. They've always made really, really good cases. This is no exception. This is nothing different. Excellent case from Pitaka. So let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. This, again, is the Pitaka MagEZ 5 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max in that sunset colorway. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.